To make a difference, we can begin by taking one step. Opo, pwede pong magsimula sa isang hakbang.
Magsimula sa isang munting pangarap. Nais kong makita liwanag ng bukas. Mga kabata ay hindi na nagugutom. Pagsisikapan natin, sila'y pasiglahin.
The mission is to end hunger. It's so simple to end hunger. One child a day, it takes 15 pesos to feed one child per day. So that's about 600 pesos to feed a child for a year. That's nothing kung tutuusin talaga. So fighting for hunger is the most basic need. If people realize that it's the most basic and simplest need to address, then future is bright and it starts with us. Isang hakbang. Talang!
Bayan bumago na at lahat gumising. Magkapit-bitig, ang mundo ay lalakarin. Pamilya't kaibigan, mahirap o mayaman, may pag-asa tayong tutuhin ang mundo.
And today, you took one step, and another, and another. And on behalf of the World Food Program, maraming salamat po. Dahil po sa bawat hakbang ninyo, you did not only help feed hungry school children, but you also fed their minds as well. At higit po sa lahat, you have just helped feed their hopes, their dreams, by bringing them closer to a healthier future.
Isang hakbang patungo sa kinabukasan. Isang hakbang patungo sa kasaysayan. Isang hakbang ang alay ko, kabataang Pilipino. Ang nais ko, magsama-sama tayo.
Sigurado po, the World Food Program will continue on its mission, its journey, and each step comes with the hope that one day, the ultimate destination will be reached, the end of hunger. But in the meantime, let us also continue to do what we can to make a difference in the lives of our school children. After all, they're our future. Sama-sama po tayo at ipagpatuloy natin ang hakbang patungo sa kinabukasan.
Bayan bumago na at lahat gumising. Magkapit-bitig, ang mundo ay lalakarin. Pamilya't kaibigan, mahirap o mayaman, may pag-asa tayong tutuhin ang mundo. Habang patungo sa kinabukasan, isang habang patungo sa kakayahan. Isang habang ang alay ko, kabataang Pilipino. Ang nais ko, magsama-sama tayo. Isang habang patungo sa kinabukasan. Isang habang patungo sa kapayapaan. Isang habang ang alay ko, kabataang Pilipino. Magsama-sama tayo.